All right. Hello. Welcome to this video. I want to show you how to use. I want to show you how to use PancakeSwap and BakerySwap. But I want you to know that about on your Trust wallet. I want to show you how to use PancakeSwap and BakerySwap on your Trust wallet on your mobile phone. One thing you should note about these swaps is that they work in similar ways. If you can use PancakeSwap, you can use BakerySwap, you can use JewSwap, you can use every other swaps, including 1inch. So possibly I'll also go take you through 1inch. So you can use the swap. So when you come to your Trust wallet, just come to the app, then you see the app browser. Under you can go scroll down, so you just go straight to exchanges. You see OpenOcean, SushiSwap, PancakeSwap, Uniswap, Zerion, 1inch, Des, ThermoSwap, No, OKEx, InstaDeap, Switcho, Saturn, Dexup, and all the plenty other swaps. But today I want to show you how to use PancakeSwap. Now, this is PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap is built on the Binance Smart Chain. So I simply click connect it to my Trust wallet, and after connecting to my Trust wallet, you can see the swap, the liquidity, the bridge. So on the PancakeSwap now, if you want to make a swap, make sure you deposited BNB to your Trust wallet. Now, if you deposit normal BNB, that's the BNB on ERC20, it's not going to reflect here. It has to be BNB BEP20. Now, if you already have BNB, that's normal BNB, I will show you how to swap from BNB ERC20 to BNB Smart Chain. That's Smart Chain BNB. You have to swap from the other BNB, the yellow BNB, to the black BNB. So this is how to swap. So now you're seeing that your balance is showing you from this to this. So let's just say now you want to buy what do you want to buy now? You want to buy a token, and then you come to select currency. Now this is a list of coins that are listed on the Binance Smart Chain. Now it's possible that the coin you're looking for might not be here. It's very much possible that the coin you're looking for might not be here. So you might try to check you might try to go to your CoinGecko, because CoinGecko always lists the contract address. You might try to go to your CoinGecko and search for the coin. So let's just say, for example, like this Battle Pets. The Battle Pets is listed on BakerySwap, so I'll show you BakerySwap later. Let's look at this coin I'm going to use now. BSCX. The BSCX is listed, so you can just check BSCX now, and you just come down, you see the contract address, you copy it, and then you come back here, you paste the contract address. It just pop up the name of the token, and then if it's not added here already, they tell you to add by user, then you add it and all. So you select it, then you now click, depending on the quantity. Maybe if, let's take for example, you have 1 BNB here and you want to just use 0.1 BNB, so just come here and you do 0.1 BNB, and it automatically updates and show you. Now in this wallet I don't have up to 0.1 BNB. I can do 0.05. So I'm 0.05 here will buy me 1 BSCX. Then I want to click swap, and I confirm the swap. It will just deduct from my BNB balance and replace it with the BSCX that I bought with the fee. Of course, the fee is really very, very small, between 0.1 BNB and 0.6 BNB. So now sometimes you might try to make some swaps and it's not working. is showing you it's not working, then what you should do is to increase your slippage. You come here, you come to these settings here, and you increase your slippage to like 1 to 1, or make it 2, so that your transaction will go through successfully. So then let's just say now you're trying to maybe qualify for a particular airdrop, or you want to add liquidity. You can come to this place, liquidity, you click on add liquidity. Now you see liquidity, you add liquidities in pairs. So you select which coin you want to add liquidity with. You want to add BNB and let's just say BNB and probably BUSD. So you have to add, if it's $50 worth of BNB, you have to add equivalent $50 worth of BUSD, and then you now add your liquidity. So that's how to use your PancakeSwap. It's very, very simple. So just make sure, first of all, you deposit BNB into your Trust wallet, and make sure it's smart chain BNB. Even if it's normal BNB you put in, let me show you how to swap it. If it's normal BNB you put in, now look at the normal BNB here. Normal BNB is the yellow one, the smart chain BNB is the black one. So you just simply come to the smart chain now. Let's just say now you simply come to your normal BNB. In this mode now, like right now, you can even stake your BNB on Trust Wallet now. You can stake your BNB on Trust Wallet. So you come to swap to smart chain. So you simply, put in the quantity of the one you have, and then click 100% and you swap from your black BNB from your yellow BNB to your black BNB. So from your normal BNB to your smart chain BNB, and then you're not ready to use it on your use it on your PancakeSwap. So for BakerySwap is the same way. So the same way you do it. So the BakerySwap now, it doesn't have, I don't think the exchange is here. So you just simply go to the browser and type BakerySwap. It will load up in your browser. To load up your browser, so you simply go to your bakeryswap.org. Then you change your network, because it's possible now this network is showing Ethereum, so you swap it to smart chain. Now I'll swap to smart chain, so I go to exchange now. So see the same procedure. So you just simply select the token you want to swap for. Maybe you want to swap your BNB for ANKR. You do your max. Now the pricing part is too high. Maybe there's no much liquidity for this coin. That's why. So you can check your bake. You can swap it. Pricing part is low. You can select any other coin you want to swap for. D100. You can check any other token you want to swap for. And then the same way, you can paste address. You can copy address. You can copy government address, and then you paste it and you swap it. So the swap works the same way. You can also add liquidity if you want to. Then you can also stake. Under earning, you can stake. You can stake to earn tokens. You can stake to earn other tokens. This is one way to earn extra tokens. Maybe you have bake. Like now, so look at this ROI. This ROI makes sense a lot. Like if you stake, you're making 102% of your funds in APY. So if you have bake, use of your bake saying I do, you can actually add your bake here. Look at the bake under bake staking. If you end bake under end bake, you can stake your bake to earn bread. You can stake your this into earn bread. You can stake your to earn soccer to earn. You can add auto BNB liquidity provide liquidity in auto and BNB to make ROI of over 146%. You can do all this. It's very, very simple. So you can do all this. Now, interesting. So why don't you use your PancakeSwap, use your BakerySwap? It's very, very, very simple to use. If you have any question, just simply ask me and I'll answer your question. So I believe you were able to understand what I just explained to you. So just simple, make sure you deposit. When you deposit to your trust wallet, you just load up to sites and put in the quantity. Now you can take profit. Let's just say that you bought a token and then there's on profit and you want to leave some of it. You can take profit from it. For example, now you bought a token and you did 100% on it. I just want to sell half of it. All you have to do is selling half of it means you're converting the half of what you bought back to your Binance machine. So you just click on this arrow. The arrow will bring BNB down. Then there's currency that you bought. Let's just say you bought Atletico Madrid token and you want to sell. All you have to do, maybe you bought 100 of it and now 100 of it for $100. That's this example, and it's now give you an extra $100. So you can decide to sell 50 of it. Just simply click select 50 of it, select 50 and swap. When you swap, 50 will be sold off and you still have 50 in your balance, still worth your initial capital that you put in. So that's how to take profits using PancakeSwap or BakerySwap or any of the swaps. So you just want to sell a portion of it that's equivalent to the profits that you want to collect. So this also works for other swaps, even on the Ethereum blockchain and all that. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, use the comment section. Don't forget to like this video and share this video with your friends. Thank you.